Hi guys, so we have gotten a lot of questions about the enrollment process, when you can enroll and apply, I can't even talk. Hi guys, so we have gotten a lot of questions about the enrollment process and how to apply. So enrollment begins on August 15th, but we are doing some early enrollment on August 11th at our open house. So if you are local to Utah and you're interested in coming, we are accepting people to come on August 11th, 3 to 7 p.m. We're gonna be doing tours of the school. Even though it's empty, you can get a vision of what it's gonna look like, where classes will be, and what the environment's gonna be like. You'll also do a mini interview with me and the director, and then you're going to pay your application fee and put your application in. And I'm gonna let you guys know what is required for applying. If you are out of state and you're interested in coming to the school, we will have you send all of this to us via email. We'll set up a Zoom interview to do with you, and then you can apply as well. So whether you're gonna be in person or doing it online, this is what you'll need. The applicant must complete the enrollment form. We will have those printed out at the open house or send it to you via email if you're out of state. You need a certificate of graduation from either high school or a GED. You need to review and sign a copy of our student catalog. So we'll give you our little student handbook. You'll have to go over that while you interview with us. We're just gonna ask you a few questions, see if you're a good fit for the school, and then sign that. You'll also need a driver's license or a state ID. And then you're also gonna need proof of age, so your driver's license will work, or a birth certificate. And then you also will need a $100 non-refundable fee. So that will be your application fee, and we are accepting that via cash, check, or Venmo, and also credit card. So there's multiple ways to pay for that. So we are really excited to meet all of you, and we are so excited to actually begin teaching. It's going to be a great experience for you guys, and we're super excited about everything we have planned. So if you have any further questions, feel free to DM us here, or you can email us. I'll put our email address right here, and we are excited to hear from you guys and have you sign up. Hello you guys, welcome to today's JZ Academy vlog. We've had some fun things arrive at the salon, so I wanted to show you guys. So we had these notebooks created for the school, so all the students will be receiving these. It says JZ Academy, let down your hair, JZ Styles Co, super cute. So we're excited to give these out. And then we've also gotten a lot of furniture in that we had ordered. I kind of showed you guys a little of that process. We had gone to IKEA, and then we did a lot of online ordering and shopping as well. And we have everything that's arrived. So we just have boxes on boxes on boxes of things for the school. This is one of like the sconces. It's gonna be really cute. Stuff from Urban Outfitters. This hutch we got for retail, office chairs. This is a rug, super cute. These are the chairs for the outdoor patio area. And then just like a ton of other things. These are all of the chairs that are going to be going in the classroom. So we got like long wooden tables, and then these are the chairs, which are so cute. We wanted something a little fancier than just like typical, folding chairs, especially since they'll be sitting in them for a while. So these are really comfortable. We got some mirrors, so it's making it feel a little more real. Okay, so we have our enrollment application all done. We're having an open house on the 11th of August, which anyone is welcome to come to, and we're also accepting online applications that day. Hi guys, are we okay to walk around a little? Okay, thank you. It looks so good. Okay, it looks totally different than last time you saw it, because I have like the paint. That's awesome.
Cool, I haven't even seen that.
Yeah, isn't it weird? Like everything was stacked with mattresses. So, and already, like having this color, it already feels a little, like even though it's just in some areas, it feels lighter, brighter.
Yeah, it feels way better.
Just be careful when we walking on the.
Okay.
Just for the shoes.
Oh,
no,
okay.
don't care for mine. But yeah, it's for your shoes.
Thank you. So cool. Yeah. Okay. This is the craziest because all the mattresses are gone, and the things gone. The cupboards.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I guess they knocked them all down. So we are having an open house for the school on Thursday where students can come take a tour of the school. It's gonna be empty, but it will be painted so they can kind of get a vision of what each room's gonna look like. So since it won't be set up, we're making vision boards right now of like what the inspo for the school is with colors and like furniture and stuff like that. So that's what I'm working on right now. So that's gonna be exciting to have just kind of like hanging up at the school.
Table and how many chairs?
Oh my gosh, we have so much more that came.
Oh, you could
Holy
down there.
crap.
I'm thinking these
All those chairs would be good.
These chairs.
So we need an office desk, those chairs, long table, one chair, one mirror for the, just to set up how that'll look.
These could be tables too. These long.
Yeah.
Promise
Oh
we
my
don't know what
gosh.
they are.
Yeah.
How many tables did you have coming?
20, wasn't it?
Yeah, something like
Well,
that.
we have all the student tables.
Oh, there's a base of a chair.
Could be these.
Oh, an ottoman.
See, these are the legs. These are.
Yeah.
Where's
There another
there's
stack
the
of
chairs.
these.
Hey, Sky.
Chairs up there. Yeah, there's the chairs.
Okay, so we just need one styling chair. Just to show, I just want to have one styling chair and one mirror. I think those are mirrors.
These are the mirrors.
Just set up so they can see the
Yeah,
vision.
so one of each of those.
And then all
And then
this.
We'll somehow find the big table, and then those chairs.
What's an office table? Is it just a table?
Well, so we need, oh, you know what? One of them is the break room table for here, which we need to get set up. And then there's one long table, one office desk. So, you know what? Let's go look at our order and see what the names are. It'll be on the box.
and then we'll be able to match up. So we'll work on that today.
Okay.
And then tomorrow morning we'll try to
Just have it all.
Then we'll take them over and set them up.
Yeah.
Do we need a pallet jack this week? No? Okay, because Cody,
I guess-
Cody said he can grab
Get
it
one?
for work.
Oh,
So whatever
perfect.
we need.
I think we're going to do that
equipment-wise.
next week.
I don't think we need a pallet jack for anything.
Because we don't have any pallets.
Oh, I just
Oh.
saw this
This
back
one.
there.
yeah.
That's,
This is not
that's
for the school.
Academy.
Oh, what about the one
That's
down there?
not
That's not
Academy.
academy.
okay.
It's round to the left.
Oh.
But I can get those.
What are those are shampoo bottles.
Okay.
Right there,
Our
go.
shampoo bowls came.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
One of these.
That would be cool if we could have one of those.
Well, you figure it out, and then tomorrow
'Kay.
morning
We'll make a list.
Okay.
I love the smell of real
Wow. Looks good. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it looks so much cleaner already.
It's already painted. It's gonna be wet.
Sorry, we won't touch anything. The feature wall. Shut up. Oh my gosh.
It looks so good.
That's the perfect color. It's so freaking good. Oh my gosh. Isn't it crazy to sleep while the mattress is out? Hey guys. Oh, this looks so good. Oh, that feature wall. Yeah, that's perfect. I can't believe what a difference paint makes. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. It looks so much brighter
I'm
already.
just looking down at the windows. It looks so much better.
Oh yeah.
And then I can't wait till we can paint that.
Oh, I know. Oh, this looks so good. Oh my gosh, I love it.
It looks so good.
It does. It made a huge difference. That's crazy. You can't even tell, I know. We're gonna have to put like a filter on it to make it stand out. This is so good for the open house though. Just like this already makes it feel way different.
You see that was my cutting the window open our
Window.
We need a window.
We already have to work
It's a
in a
dungeon.
warehouse without a window.
I know, that's what she's saying. She needs
We
natural
already
light.
work in a warehouse.
I know.
She's already going.
We need a skylight. It does look better though. We need to get just good
Right
bright
there.
lights in here. Yeah, we
it
do
is
want
a
to
lot
know.
better.
I just figured, I thought it would be really cool though, like, you know, with
Yeah.
parents and students coming, they can see the whole.
We probably will. It just
will.
kind of depends on if we stay here.
So I think as soon as we get like
Enrollments?
the enrollments,
Listen,
Then
I have someone
we
flying in
will
from
cut out.
Montana.
Yeah.
I have
For that open house.
yeah, for the open
said
house.
I have a client that said she wants to go to school.
Really?
Yeah.
Tell her to come on
I
Thursday.
have 80 people I just texted, and I have at least 15 girls who are coming
On Thursday.
on Thursday.
That's awesome. I want to go look in the classroom. Oh, it looks so good. Yeah. Oh my gosh, this looks awesome. Yeah.
look at that.
That is so cute. Yeah, that is good.
This is Jay-Z Academy Edition.
That's our school motto, actually.
Okay, so the chairs, we're gonna have 3 shampoo bowls. I think they come, the space is about right here over, is gonna be the shampoo bowls.
Okay.
And then we're gonna have the rest of this, but I've gotta keep this, right? Because there is existing plumbing.
Yeah.
So if we ever wanna add more bowls, we can,
Yeah.
it's already there. So, this is the question. Do I tile, right? The subway tile is
Can
gonna
we
go
do like a
all here.
patterned tile? Like a fun tile? Or does it have to be just white subway tile?
Let's just do cone what's the most simple.
Well, yeah, but can I like look in, or even like pink subway tile? Like just something a little different?
We can talk about it.
Okay, you guys, so we are here at the school. The open house is tomorrow, so we're setting up a few things. And this is actually the first time Jordan's ever seen the school, so I'm really excited to show him.
No.
Oh, no, you don't want to go to school? Say hi.
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 Any cash and then guess what? Then
No, what? You want a drink?
These look nice. They're so cute.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, that is amazing. Did the ottomans come?
Yeah, I think we have an ottoman.
Dad, hi, Bubba. This is so cute. Oh, it feels nice. Are you going to school?
yeah.
Oh,
Don't run around in here.
Did you hurt your toe? Okay, we just set up one of the salon chairs. Look how cute. It is perfect. I love it. Okay, we just added the ottomans, so that made it even more complete. Okay, my dad and Jordan just set up the mirror. So cute. What?
What is this?
This is gonna be a feature wall. We're gonna put like a quote on it or something.
Can this be taken down?
Well, we kind of want it to be up because behind it's the front desk, and we're gonna have floating shelves with like our products and stuff and like our logo.
Yeah, but if you take this down, you have a view of the windows.
Yeah, maybe.
So much more natural light.
Yeah, that's true.
Even a penny wall.
You could just do half a wall. That's true.
Ready? Ready? Good boy. Alright, take this to daddy. Okay, take this to daddy. We'll give that to daddy.
Here, Dad.
That's so nice, Dad. Did it. You did it. Yeah, you did it. Don't step on it.
Okay, you tell them where we are. Say, I'm at school. What are you doing? Cute.
Where did you get the rug?
IKEA.
IKEA. Oh, Mom told me out Cowabunga.
Cowabunga? What's
Whatever
that?
store is.
Oh, Shabundis.
Shabundis.
You want to stand with me?
Is that good? Is this where you want it, or do you want it facing? Probably this way if you're gonna do chairs.
Yeah. And then I want to get like some shelving.
Oh yeah, we'll have to decorate for sure.
yeah, it's in
cute.
Southern California.
Oh, was it
There's
California?
one in Rancho.
This is cute. Yummy, yummy. Are you soaking wet now? What are you doing? What are you doing? Hi.
Okay.
She's from Montana.
Yes, okay. I've been talking to Okay.
Guys, nice to meet you.
Awesome. And your mom?
I'm mom.
Okay.
Any hair school I've ever been to or heard of is just like drab, and I feel like you learn in an environment that's like fun and pretty, and not as dumb as that sounds, like it like makes you
No, it does.
flow.
Yeah. It's nice and big.
I know it is.
It like
right?
feels a lot bigger when you walk in.
Right? I know, and then the fact that it already had like a stage and a setup was just amazing. I came in, I was like, that works. It flew in.
Oh, you flew in?
Yeah, I just flew in, so
Awesome.
I was excited. I was not gonna miss it.
You're like, I am
I
punctual.
booked my flight the day you posted it, so yeah.
Cool. And we're gonna have like a whole setup for it, and then right here we're gonna have like a bar where you can kind of like do homework and stuff. And then this is just storage. This will be our teacher's break room, and then I'll show you guys where your 2 break rooms are as well.
Okay.
And then over here, this is gonna be our shampoo area. We have one little bowl set up right now, kind of. But the kitchen, I know.
It looks comfy.
It is, and the ottoman is like amazing.
So I'm
So
going
you're
to
just
school.
like
I'm
ready
ready.
to. So welcome to the school.
Oh my gosh, I've been wanting to do it so long. I love
Perfect. Yeah, I know. I was so nervous about like going to the
So we have the schedule here, and then there's more information on this side.
Yes, I saw those.
Okay, perfect. This is our reception area, and this is just gonna be like our logo. We're gonna have floating shelves with product. The mirrors will all be hung. We're gonna have lights and stuff, but this is the idea.
So we're gonna have 20 stations.
20 stations.
All along these walls. And then this is the kit that you'll get.
Wasn't as cute as that.
But it was a kit.
And then this will, so this will be the main salon area. So we're gonna have 20 stations.
Yeah, it gives you options.
I'm so excited. This is gonna be
I'm excited. Basically, we have you guys.
How are you?
She met it. No, she's getting drunk. So you know drunk.
Can you kind of see the video?
Yes. I got vision for the truth. Yeah, no. 10 seconds. You're lucky. Michelle's gonna teach us how babies are made right now.
And then I went in Portuguese and
Hello, how are you? You haven't seen the school yet, huh? I just always assume. Yeah.
The tools, the products that you need to be able to function, and those are yours to go.
A mirror for each station, a tray, and this is what the kits look like. So this is what you would get being stocked for. Hi. Thanks for coming. Is this your first time here? Yeah. Oh, yay. So her mom is
All right, you guys, it is the next day. The open house went so well. It was super busy. I didn't even have a chance to really like talk to the camera or do stories or anything, but we did get a little footage that I inserted, and it was such a great night. We have a lot of enrollments already done, both for full-time and part-time, so that's super exciting. But I wanted to let you guys know that enrollments are happening on the 15th. So today you guys are seeing this video on the 12th. So on the 15th, open enrollment is happening. You can enroll to become a student, and we're really excited to have you if you're interested. So I'm really excited about this journey. It feels like it's getting more real, and I can't wait to get the building even more ready.